It's another beautiful Friday morning. And I pass it and say, yeah, terminating kakra sa de na maybe I will be an what they are said, my rather son said, now what you went to kakra a babe court na we na I was a pay the akoko the announcement I was said Jumakobi and a cry, Sister Sandy be a guy as soon ever the day I was a ebrewo. Piwak natural health for na kwanche for penny Dr. Prince Nelson Mototi. Na opanyini ubetimi na tuche nkoma number ni 0248928824 and 0201000021 na piwak for die adwuma wo mo bono enya gro kra mo yi adwuma ma wa woni se adwuma no wo mo aye mo na akofa 3p garlic mixture aba edwaso adure boost immune system adure wa ye kese abroso wo no mo a obetwe adure e wo so ma bisi wo mpetire e 3p garlic mixture we no ye garlic ankasa na yankasa ha bible makeka bomu a omode aye aduro sonko ntinum bi nem boost wo immune system no piwak for ne de se adu papa aba ena ye efiada Friday aduru say na say ye boja ye enti Friday aduru say so na menka say Franco say eye Black Friday na say ne ma no ebo na ba fom yes watwitwa percentages ne bi ato agu ya wo de ya ne say wudi ska kakra bi beba na ade a na anu ada na ye ton e bia be 100 Ghana ba kura timi nya ne be 70 wonya ne ba bia age say Franco Trading Enterprise wonom Black Friday ya consumer show medofo ejinamu dendenti mobile phones, air conditioners, fridges, speakers, washing machine, television, Africa for the abom kra no eye Franco one more CCTV cameras and an installation of yama shonko kra etimi show free 0246 422 338 and 0555 939311 and 030 222 565 1ofra Osi anochi wa ba se ne eye Black Friday nti niam na watete so no upebi misra na download Franco app on your phone so ubia be Black Friday sales na wo mo ye nyina na ne wo mo edi enkita home Best Brain Publications even kan so mo books be brave we dwaso ene wo kope book ato na say ye courses na be bo so no nko ade a wo kwa also pe Best Brain Publications wo mo de a wo de abadwaso ne bi books na e makoma nsia ene wo dwaso na we naka a approve ya mo wo mo enti open creativity and imagination book a Michelle Best Brain for will be student leadership one more it will be citizenship one more it will be critical thinking and problem solving book and so Best Brain for it will be digital literacy collaboration one more it will be communication book one more it will be Michelle book said them dika aka naka a approve nti e book a usua e de transfer hwe e book obata utoma oba yeye a book at church for the Chadian Swa, a Upemunchi 0507 200 200 and now 0504 200 300 na Best Brain Publications in Peniform ebejo so and then come medino a doso pa na and command the medians and mekohono ma menko so na memo aboafo so abaso St Andrews SHSC Senior High School no aba na wo mo ba yeso nyene na hostels bebre wo ho campuses den so doso uyo bata BC so we yankwada ya twere ebia results na ba computer placement na kwana bra sen ha ho St Andrew Senior High School wo mo bo no mo gire da fom wo kakra bi enye de bia age se obata age se okoton ntu megu adaka manza na watimi do ba aba St Andrews SHS Misro eni mpanimfo nkasa no mo nyanseseye boarding facilities wo fa hono baby akra ne free ba obenya baby ada no wasua de courses bia Ghana ha SHS school bia ye no St Andrew Senior High School so eya sa courses no ebi na obenya wo campuses ne bi wo Asenfosu enkran bi wo ha sei ni wadu bia se bi wo ho dunkwa wono fe ensusu behu bi wo ho mankasim ebi wo ho shama e na afa sefia sanwe so St Andrews Senior High School ebi wo ho mesra wada fre 0244 696911 and 0207 891004 na St Andrews SHS for Bejo so St Andrews SHS we are always in the lead. Na Ministry of Education SASU ya wo mo hwegu masua ho nsem so say STEM Innovation 2023 say dwumade na eba so na nya wotwe ebesim ye 14th to 15th and say dwumade ne bekoso anopa 9 am kopem anwumre 5 pm schools over 200 no bo a wo mo ano enti STEM na wo mo tu ho na mo no ma kyerese sesei almost cerebral so omo di innovation beka ho nti omo identify problem say bia area ha omo ni kanea ena adesuafo omo puti in no ya mo akire omo say mo kwan be na mbefa so ama e bia kokomlemle fa no first street fo nya kanea eti mo nya na mpanimfo mehwe ti san hihye ye nkoda ne be wie school no na omo won sa no dwuma kora dada na eno no omo so ne so ma ka 24 schools out of the 24 no ehemfo ene be di kan ti me so make a date na ebekoso ewo CD Conference Center University of Ghana November 14th and 15th and opa no nkro 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Uyo oba time na oba join am sure kwanafo ni monyam kota eche wate u school ka ho a onso ko nanya fefefe me sure kwane ko hwebi don't miss it sanse we no eye nhyehyeye a ebeboa na ama eniema bibia akọ kama ebraso se yedi enkomo na nkomo aye ba bedi no me sure unim se yetena sese dia nkomo ni hia pa anti kame ho Medical Ministry International Ghana ena many wo mo eba bedi enkomo no bibia nkoyi a obamu ana watenetene mekakra na afi yedi nkomo no na opanyine Seth Ephraim Tetekwe oye country director emasa adwumakwe menko na memana kwa aba na yeni enkomo Seth Martin.
Yeah, good morning.
Good come morning. To my level. Come down to my level. Let's speak to and to perform to my level. But obeti ma mix it.
Yeah, okay.
Obeti me a blend yo ho. Aha. Na aye kama sanse ya anya ne sa enye yi. Oho. Minim se brofo ne ye de. Ope brofo kapa online no. Ana we ka brofo. We ka brofo.
Yeah, we'll mix it.
Yeah, we'll mix it. There was always brofo ne ka no be ye de kakra but what kind of brofo kra mechirim. Oho. Mechirechim se be ya obi a ebeti ase na afa mpanimfo panyi ba ko so abeka ho on dem nim se eja twi na mu beda ho no fine na afa ye di enkomo na hwese aye international Ghana ne dia na se brofo de ya kakra ebi ebebem Seth.
Yeah,
welcome.
Thank you.
Papanyi ena mpacho won so din de say Ben Mike Frimpong na se wo de twi no wote bube. Thank you Neze. Ben Mike Frimpong one de o kachi no ebu benti brepemu no ono so ebetre yemu Seth. Medical Ministry International Ghana.
Yep.
I hope I got it right.
Yeah, you get it right.
Okay. What do you do? What do you stand for?
Okay, so Medical Ministry International has been in existence for like over 30 years.
Okay.
So what we do is that we partner hospitals and then clinics and then churches to do projects. So we have medical projects and then mobile projects. Okay. So there's been time we come and then it's difficult to have partners to work with.
Okay.
But this time around, Salvation Army, was there for us. They were there last year and then this year too. Okay. They've been there. So we are going to work with them. Okay. Yes. Okay. To have surgeries done. Yeah.
Nessa, we said the Okano no. We move through a moment no mabo. Then so obeboa abeye surgeries. Ama Ghana phobia womo waka. Eya no obedru a din so obenya adwumako bi no ma partner. No ma ye adwuma. But this time Salvation Army last year omo ma kwanya no omo ye adwuma. This year so omo saba Salvation Army for na age womo so a omo no omo eye adwuma. Enti mame ko Mike hoda menhwe. Enti yenhwe say Salvation Army and also mo no mo ye adwuma ho. It's a hospital be na mo ye ba ho asa services ya mo kan. Ubenya bi.
Friend of Urban Aid Clinic.
Urban Aid Clinic.
Yes.
Okay.
So mamu bi.
Okay.
Accra Senior High no achi.
Okay.
And I say udu ma obi market na obi sa say woko Obroni Clinic.
Obroni Clinic.
Yes. Obi ha bekyerɛ.
Okay. Nti ya de ben sa na unity e wo say this season more.
This season ye hwɛ say obi a wo
fibroid
say or the bar ebitimi aboa no bi owo henia.
Okay.
Or the bar obitimi aboa no.
Okay.
And na say owo small mass bi agro ho say like poma bisa.
Okay.
Ebitimi ayama. And na kilos is wo ho a ebitimi so.
Kilos na dey ade yete
say ebi oho akoye operation. Anka esese ekru ni wu no.
Ewu no. Na bibia befu a ho asa akore no.
Aha.
Okay.
Ayama.
All right. Mama ko set ho.
Yep.
Do I need huge money to appear?
No. So Medical Ministry actually try to help the poor. So the project is for the poor, not the rich.
Wow, abusia o say project we oyema wo mu eni sika enye sika for. So at least how much should I come?
Okay, so other hospitals, when we go to work, they take huge sum. Even though we come in with our team, our expertise, they take huge sum. So Salvation Army last year was able to bring it down to 1,005. Yes.
1,005.
Yes. Last
Ghana
year.
cedis.
Ghana cedis.
Not dollars.
Not dollars.
I'll come back to you.
Okay.
Mamenko ha bacho ehe na mo beye program no na ye location because obi busa me. This year they never cost wo hen.
E koso urban lead clinic wa.
Urban lead clinic Mamobi.
Mamobi.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so let me go back to set.
Yes.
So how much are we taking this time?
Yeah, so this time around it is 2,000.
2,000 Ghana cedis.
2,000 Ghana cedis.
So what fibroid?
Yes.
Oh what cho? Oh waira eno henia no eno henia yes. Ana wonya akore se wo waso achi se wo ba bia ni nyina mo yes adwuma ni nyina for sa sika kakra yi.
Yes, and even those with the keloids may pay less.
Wow.
Yes, those with the keloids and then yes, other minor ones will and lipomas may pay less. It wouldn't be that huge. Yes.
Wow. Open your mama samara bi wa de be kan.
Na epese me chechim kakra ba.
Yes.
Say atiefo bebra ati say yes say free.
Okay.
Enye free sa by subsidized. The atiso kakra. Atiso. Anti you be ba hospital ho na ya register. The register wa eno na free for registration won't you ahwe. Na obeye screening kakra ma yen labs na scan na obitua kakra. Na operation is do so and also ya tiso.
Okay.
A beer or nebo, but we give a range from 500 to 2,005.
Okay.
And the like poor man to omomo fiber don't be no obane do category amount I'll be here.
Okay. And to see a say you'll be back at hospital how my register now. Yet here you can say more be much more. Registration a cost. Wow. And here say na jumedi ne be komu frase da ben kasa on say be obeba be register but surgery is no best at the time ben.
Last 2 weeks and I started screening no. Okay. And I gusu ayeye. Nyame adom a Monday and I best start project na nkasa. Surgery no. But Sunday I buy ye ne abrofo na be operation ni be hia wo e wo hospital ho. Okay. Ne yen ya screening nyina no omuni adi nkomo. As assessment bi wo ho a no money aye. Ne ya bookie ya my date. I said this date bit my operation na ma. Na wakoboabo na waba within the 2 weeks.
Wow. Yes. So I said, how often should we expect such generous gestures?
Okay, so in a year we can run 6 projects. As I said, we have a lot of facilities we work with. Sight for Africa, Badwam Hospital, Coast for Christ Hospital, Church of God Hospital. So it depends, but this next year we're going to have 6 projects. Okay. Eye projects and then both OB-GYN and then general surgeries. Okay, now say metiasie ya. Enye say we no fibroid na de enkwai o season bi wa mo hwe ani. Season bi wo no so mo hwe aso nje mo ye ni nyina yi no. It is that time so you bring expert baby am pesa mo hwe no. E ho nkrofo na mo de o mo ba. No ma ba ye surgery na maye. Exactly. Oh wow. Yes. So we are the last one I hear anymore for the year. This is the last one. This is the last one. Okay. Yes, so next year March we start starting with the eye project with Sight for Africa, Dakuman. Yeah, so we all move to Sight for Africa. Wow. Yeah. Mike, location ni bi say here me pa. Mo se fa he no obi nante nwura sa abre aye ka say.
See on fa kai ko Mamobi.
Mamobi. Na say nkran ha. Nkran ha ya. Mamobi. Okay.
On see Mamobi market.
Mamobi market.
Yes, no Misa Salvation Army clinic. Salvation Army clinic. Ana Obroni clinic. Obroni clinic. Oh, okay. Na number bi o no ebi obi wa yera na wo ba. Contact number bi obetumi afre. Yes, so it's 0246 046 716. Yes. Repeat it, 0246 716. And the landmark is Accra Girls. Accra Girls. Just behind Accra Girls. Yeah, Accra Girls. Share wall. Share wall. Okay. Number no bosu bi mama panyin
Ghana is slow in writing.
Okay.
So do the number one by one.
Okay, so,
so one by one.
It's 0246.
No, I said one by one.
Okay,
so
0246.
Thank you.
046.
Thank you.
716.
Thank you. Say the end. So, but your pattern comments. What would you tell our viewers?
Okay, so as we said, it's for the poor. We don't want the rich to be there. The poor should come, and it will give them quality service.
Wow, thank you.
Yes.
And I'm so then I will catch one more share no pay. Any the anti was with one amomba.
You better ya force. Na me should be and crying. I say the what's an no cray. Or the brand for any be who. Now be who say yame ayodo.
And now my boy force to be anything for.
Me obi bia owo sa yade ya bobosi bia no otimi ba yebeboa no.
Okay.
The Salvation Army in partnership with MMI.
Okay.
And AS project.
All right. Thank you so much. Ebusiana say empanimfo free medical ministry international Ghana MMI Ghana and omoche say wo mo be yes surgeries na surgery na bo kakra bi na omo ye free ho amaw na ho ato nye free say do manfo bi kan da bi na emom wo mo atete so ye bo no aye nketenkete nkumankuma sika kakra bi ne kita wa konom register your scan ye obi wi a na omo de wato so na omo hwom say bi obema ayarehwe na won so wo ho ato wo enti Seth ye country director ma MMI and opanyina so they say
Ben Mike Frimpong
and so eka me ho ye do ma senti mamobi asem ne ye kan me sure akra girls achi wono ma ko na wonom ensure Kingdom Home Estate say omo ha no mo ha ma me no mienu o se men kan sure say adwuma no wo mo ye papa na wo mo na omo dan a wo mo sisie wo mo area omo ye omo japade nyina no che say eye kama eho efe eho akono apremafo na tena ho ma na ye fefefe nya area bia na etete ba wo bebu atete wo ba wo gina kwa ho kora na se bi ne nsa se ne hwenim want to talk about baby ye enti serene environment a obe nyini a wonante an appearance the countenance bibia che se o papa abobra eti misrene ene Kingdom Home Real Estate mpanifo ni nkita home baby o madan ne wono security aye tight pass as CCTV cameras so ebobo honom electricity ne senkane a wo ho na afa ekura no standby generators enti yekodum so mokura wo woni house and say o wade a ebebo wo chidom wose ene what a special offer bi aba utua ohamu nchemu aduonum 50% say bia kwana dan no ana say japade na 1 cedi na otimi tuamu 50% a ode bema utimi tuamu 70% a no was spread the aka na ma na utua no nkakra say so omahu ne say asetene mu aye den mesrew aburu kwan ne so akuapem akropon ubehu womo 0559761144 0559761144 and Kingdom Home Real Estate empanifo wonom contact a ubetumi afre womo enche meda me ho aba na menka wo se Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsules nso ye dro strong commission ebe boost wo immune system no hu se wankasa no wanya hoden strong ebe lower blood pressure no wo so cholesterol ha wo wo ya na wo ye kese wo sugar level wo so na nyina ebe ti so ama ho ato na afa Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules nso aba we se mema nko na enom bema opese o ye power to the people na wape Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules na wanonom wo mo esa wo tremendous capsules nso ewo ho emma o mahemfie hodomo no enka kakra ba hodomo ntubi nye nitin meshow pebi na no menu pay for 0275804064 and 0302938153 Kingdom was no challenger say you makoi e ka me ho e na nkomotwetwe mi di na abusuan nkomotwetwe ye nwieye oho enti ye na say ye bre no aso ya ye ko ne bre ne sonso ne ye ko de a na wo se ye krapre ko na eja ye sere kwan na ye ko na awoda pa sonko Yakopon ya domo china ye miame papa Isaac Roxen Saki owo agona swadru ono na Sandwich Hotel ye we Kumasi ye ne dia happy birthday in advance Mame Sarah and so wo agona swadru ono so ne birthday yo china kro na nti munyina no in advance to you ebusia wo hia me a eya frame anoche wa ba adwo se wa semi di kabeba kwasinsia de mpense